I'm keeping it.
Too bad.
Man.
Shisha. Shisha. Yeah, that can work. Drop for turn.
This be a mutiny, Captain.
Go. Hey, get it right. Dude.
Nah, I didn't actually. I just wanted to.
See. You're fucking good.
This actually was my better ride.
We're gonna look at the team. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Alright, which one of you mugs is going in the drop?
Get that shit out of here.
Swing it.
Drag it. Get rid. Damn you. That's always my first damage lately.
Drop it.
Sleepy Tapir.
Word.
Get some G-set 2 shit up in here.
Oh gosh, he's going
14.
New school on you.
Welcome to the jungle. Go. Oh my, that's right. I get to do that first, don't I?
Yeah.
Check it.
Hit that splitter in the fuck.
My turn?
Nope.
My serpentine.
Good, that's very good.
Stride.
Oh man, he's going.
Lizard.
He's going in.
Counterblast 1, unflip 1. 36. G-break 2 automatically and all effects.
Power.
Guard dot deck.
Oh god. Here we go again. Sweet.
How much?
It's 18.
31.
21. Yeah. Awesome.
16.
18.
Whatever. 2 crit. Oh, Legion.
Ooh, baby.
Put that heal back in here. Here's where things are about to get complicated.
Oh boy.
I'm in Legion now.
I noticed.
And G-break too. Shit's about to get real.
He's declaring it on us. He's declaring his G-break.
So, Sleepy Tapir. He has resist. So, Illusion Scientist, Researcher Fox. Coiling Duckbill, give the ability to Researcher Fox. When she dies at my end phase, draw a card. One more time. These abilities all stack.
Okay.
Persona Blast, Vanguard ability. Discard a copy of something that's on my Vanguard circle, select up to 2 units and give them an ability. When this unit dies at the end of my turn, call it right back out, unflip a damage, and draw a card. Both of these. I'm swinging for a total of 25 at your Vanguard, and I'm giving plus 4,000 to Illusion Scientist Researcher Fox. At the end of the turn, I play it into my drop zone. Perfect guard?
Yeah.
Crit power. Currently, she is a total of 18. Swing with Sleepy Tapir. Sleepy Tapir ability, plus 4, kill it at the end of the turn.
So what's it?
He's going to be 16 at your Vanguard.
Synergy.
Alright, so 5, 8, 17, 22, 29,000, 2 crits at your Vanguard.
29,002.
And you guard it.
Pretty much.
In phase. First, I have to actually get technical here now. I'm killing her off first.
Don't worry, if you do it wrong, people on YouTube will tell you.
His ability will, let's see, Coiling Duckbill first, draw a card. Second Coiling Duckbill, draw a card. Tiger, unflip a damage, call it back out. Well, no, her ability first. I get to counterblast 1, search out another copy of something that's on my Vanguard. All that grade 3 thinning.
This is fascinating.
And then Guru Tiger goes off. I actually kind of screwed up. I meant to give his ability to that so I could kill it and draw 2 cards and then flip 2 damage.
Look at you.
So I did screw up some, but she comes back out and I draw another card.
There.
It is your turn.
See if you wouldn't listen to Rick Ashley while playing.
Hey, don't make fun of Rick. Gigs all
It
around.
Oh, no, I'm
kinda did
not.
distract me.
Yes, I'm just saying he's distracting. That's all.
He is distracting.
Gigs all around.
The best thing is, if it wasn't my end phase, I could attack with this entire column again.
Yeah. So charged.
I had all, you mean blast, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Breaker. Get this big ass out.
Just 10k vanilla.
About 15.
I didn't even get my best abilities off because you guarded my Vanguard.
Damn right.
Because Pinch Squall gives something +4, kills it in a turn, and I draw a card.
Swing it.
Nope.
You're perfect guarding me.
I straight up lost some enemies.
Finger.
How much?
11. Yeah, and then this big.
How much?
27.
I'll take it. You copying me, boy?
A little bit.
Draw.
So my turn didn't take near as long as yours.
1, 2, 3. That's everything. That's 1. That's 2. Sweet ride. Legion. See, that was my big play for the game. You weren't supposed to survive the turn. But you did. You did. So I'm going to now discard a copy of something that's on my Vanguard. Well, actually, this one.
Person's just waving and saying hi. And I like
Give these two the ability. I'm going to be smart this time. 25 at your Vanguard, +4 to research your box.
He's 20. Wait, these guys.
Good micro toss.
22. Big thing.
25.
25?
Check 1, check 2. No trigger. 16 at your Vanguard, +4 to coiling duckbill.
Yeah, I can't play fire.
16,
Can't play fire.
24 Vanguard.
I'll pop everybody.
No extra crits, but I'll get to unflip 2 damage and draw a card, 2 cards. You gotta guard, buddy. She'll die first.
If you hit Tensor, he's like, Tensor, domestic, Tensor.
Counterblast 1, search something out.
Yeah. I was like, okay, well, I can't play that shit.
Maybe more macro.
Last one, too. Be a shame if I legion them back. Then Guru Tiger goes off, call her back out, unflip a damage, draw a card. Duckbill dies. Oh yeah, this one comes back out, unflip a damage, draw a card. Nope.
About time. Draw.
Hey, at least I'm not playing Musketeers. You would never get a turn. I'd be doing nothing but shuffling until I have no deck left.
Here, that Legion.
That's the JC of
This
Vanguard.
one. Yeah, that is. 2, 3, 4.
Get all those triggers out of here.
Get them. Necropy.
What up, homie? No. Remember going to Paprika?
Cut that shit like it's an onion.
Yummy. $11.
Intercept.
Yeah. Nigger balls. Ability.
Yeah, I know. I'm just seeing if you do.
Retire.
Nigga ain't no shit.
Call forth. I need somebody to get that. So we're just gonna bring out this one. 29.
No, he's 30.
That's 30.
Okay. Plus 3. Plus
He's
7.
not.
And it's 20.
30.
31. 36. 41. $11.
Good.
Draw. Cards in hand.
3.
May I see your drunk zone? You've only gone through 2 perfect guards.
And I put a bunch of triggers.
Stride.
Yeah.
Phoenicites. Calling out Guru and Chat Noir. Swing with Phoenicites. It's a total of 26, 31, and I get to choose 2 of my rear guards and give them +4. These 2, and they'll die at the end of the turn.
Yes.
That makes me happy to a degree.
You can't guard.
Nope.
1, 2, power, and I heal. Power here, by the way. 3. See if you can hit that heal you put back.
Butterscotch.
Power Vanguard.
Yep.
Well, that's why I did this. 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 29,000. And if it hits, I get to draw a card.
29. Was that 26?
That's 26. 18. Dang. Survivor!
Has another one.
The power of the miracle heal. Because you cleared out a column. Survivor. I'll survive. Hey, hey.
Go fucking disturbed on your
There is
activist. Soul Blast. 2, retire. Call.
the miracle save like that. You cannot lose this. You can't.
11.
Was that the burn guy?
Yeah. Nigger Bolt. Ability. Retires.
23. $21, 26 to your 23.
2? No, that's 1.
How much is that column?
You go back.
13.
Oh,
It's 2.
2. Not. Oh.
So that's an 18.
Yeah. 11.
Power crit.
What was that, 16?
Yeah. I still have to drop a 10 though.
Yeah. Go.
Ride. Legion. Work. It's the only heal I've seen all game. Oh my god.
On the bottom. Or no,
No, they were
on top.
next 2 cards. I should have took the damage.
Should have just. Or yeah, take the damage.
No, I could have took your
You could've-
double crit and
you could-
still won.
You could have healed twice. That would have been awesome. On camera and everything. But no, you had to be a jackass and guard. Oh god. The camaraderie.
25,000 plus 4 chat north.
25. 21. 26.
1 to pass.
Yeah, get it in there.
Oh, come
You
on.
put them triggers back, come on.
All effects. Heal out